At Curbside Laundries, we host office hours to help our clients grow their wash and fold and pickup and delivery business. Last month, we went over how we helped a client increase their revenue by 3 times what they were at the previous month. Check out the next 2 minutes of our office hours, which is exclusive for Curbside Laundries clients.
But yeah, we've got a really good office hour scheduled for today. We had about 60 people sign up. One thing I'm going to start off with this is sort of a teaser, and then we're going to kind of go into some of the development going on and things like that, and get to the whole focus of today's office hours, which is how to get more business, how to create conversions. And it's laser focused on the customer journey. And that even happens before they get to the app, because one thing we noticed is there's some differentiate. We've got clients where, and everybody's using the same software, where some people have a higher conversion rate than other people. And there are things you could do to help enhance your online web presence, to increase the flow. And so you have to answer certain questions and make things easy for customers. And you may not even be aware of what those things are. So you probably are already doing some of these things. And we're just going to be going over some of the basics, but these basics make a big difference. Also, we got some pretty cool stuff with photography, photographs, how to improve the images for your laundromat, which helps with conversion as well. This right over here, we've got customer success agents. And if you ever want to schedule a meeting with a customer success agent, it takes about an hour to really kind of go through everything. But one of our agents was talking to somebody, Aaron Vito, and he said, so-and-so took my advice and did blank. He was able to triple the income from the past few months with more pickup and delivery orders coming in. Although not on our website, in which Chris critiques a lot. Chris responded, I love that we told him on February 26th, and almost immediately he gets 3 times more revenue since it's easier to schedule a pickup and delivery now. And so in this specific case, they're using their own website. This is something I talked about at the Curbside 2024 conference, which is almost all your traffic, about 90%, is people on their cell phones. So you want to see what that customer experience looks like on the cell phone. So if you're using a website made by Curbside Laundries, you don't even have to worry about this. But if you are using your own website, sometimes that schedule pickup button gets hidden when they're on the mobile view, which is a little bit tricky because when you're reviewing websites, you're probably on your computer, but when customers are looking at the website, they're on their phone. So you want to see what the customer looks like and see what that experience looks like. But this helps highlight kind of the theme of today's talk, which is you do things right. And this is even before they got to the software, and it helps increase the flow. So that's what we're going to be focusing in on today.
Could you imagine spending 1 hour studying the customer flow from your website to placing an order and what that would do for your business? At Curbside Laundries, we have a lot of clients that would have stopped growing, but because they are using Curbside Laundries software and we're able to provide expert guidance, they continue to grow. If you'd like to learn more about the Curbside Laundries wash and fold and pickup and delivery solution, the same one that has hundreds of successful clients across the country providing pickup and delivery service, go to curbsidelaundries.com. And if you'd like to go to the conference in Long Beach this summer, check out curbsidelaundries.com/conference.